What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Frankie Candles Daily live stream. Thank you all for being here. We got 107 concurrent viewers, 61 likes. Guys, don't forget to smash that like button. If you want to support the channel, that's the best way to do it. Smash that like. Also, if you want to see us spin the Wheel of Pain and Pleasure, which, as you guys know, this is not really. This is here for decoration. We're going to be using the digital wheel because we all know this one's rigged. Thank you all for being here. I appreciate you guys so much. We got a great show today. We're going to be talking about a lot of great stuff. We're going to be talking about Bitcoin. What's going on? Bitcoin goes up, Bitcoin goes down. We're kind of stuck. We had that little pump. We came back down. Now, we're sitting at about 39.4. We're going to be talking about that. What are the resistance levels we're looking at? What is the support? What are the support levels we're looking for? And what do we need to do to break higher? Are we bullish? Is there a big move on the way? Are we bearish? Are we going to the bear market? We're going to be covering all of that. If you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe. We have something going on here at the Hit Network and BitBoy Crypto studios here. We do have a few different YouTube channels within our ecosystem here, and we are putting up a new sign on our new building. And TJ said that the next channel to hit 100,000 subscribers gets their name on the building, right? So if you guys are not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. I am the underdog coming in with about 7,000 subscribers. Meta Money has 50, and then NFT Update has I think like 17, right? So I'm the underdog. So I'm gonna need all the help I can get to catch up to these guys. And how epic would it be if the new guy on the block gets his name on the building? I think it'd be pretty cool. So definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel and help me out. And hey, we're giving away some pretty good sauce on the channel. I'm getting more and more DMs every single day of our community members taking what they learn on this stream and in our videos on the channel and applying it to the charts and making profitable trades and making money. I'm gonna shout some of these people out at the end of the stream, as well as we're gonna do a Q&A, and I'm gonna read some YouTube comments and answer them live for you guys. So I think that'll be pretty fun. We're also gonna be talking about this executive order. Again, we talked about it a little bit yesterday. We're going to be talking about the executive order and why I think it actually might be positive. And I'm not the only one that thinks that, right? So we're going to be talking about that. And then we're going to talk about EMAs a little bit, right? And then I'm going to be showing you guys synthetics and why I have my eye on this particular alt. So we're going to be looking at all of it. We're going to be looking at your altcoins, getting them shouted out on the stream here. With that being said, let's go ahead and check chat. Already going nuts here. Wendell, welcome back. Jonathan, Blanchard's Bees, thank you for being here as always. Let's see. Jesse, G, Jeremy, Art, King of Crypto, Connor, Daniel, Brad, William, Daryl, Red Robles. What's up, man? Welcome back. Looney, welcome back. He throws up the candle emojis. Gotta love that. Gotta love that. Let's see. Simon Ritesh. I don't know if I said that wrong. Lost Prophet. What's going on, Lost Prophet? Roberto. Let's see here. Delta. Jimmy Two Shoes. Jimmy Void. Real quick before we get into it, shout out to everybody in the chat. I appreciate you all being here. That's why I like to call you guys out and say what's up. But real quick, Jimmy Two Shoes, Jimmy Void over here with the Bronx Bitcoin Bulls. I got to bring him out and I got to shout him out a little bit. I love Jimmy Two Shoes, right? He's from the Boogie Down Bronx, from New York, my hometown, right? And guys, Jimmy Void is out here repping the CandleMafia, right? We got this in the mail this morning. Super excited about this. How sick is this? Little Frankie Candles chart boss graffiti. I mean, this thing is just lit up with all kinds of good stuff. Forget about it. Jimmy Void, CandleMafia. He's shouting you guys out too in the artwork. I absolutely love it. Jimmy, I cannot thank you enough for this. This is the coolest thing ever. We're going to have to find a good place to hang this up. Maybe somewhere on the set, so we could show this off on every stream. But big shout out to Jimmy Void. I appreciate this, man. Much respect to you. We got some notes on the back here. Absolutely awesome. He did make one for NFT Update and Ben too. So this is super cool. Actually, my first piece of mail that came from a viewer. So super, super cool. Shout out to Jimmy. I appreciate you, man. This is really cool. I love this. I don't know if I want to hang this up in my house or hang it up out here. I don't know, but it's really, really cool. I love it. So thank you very much, guys. Shout out Jimmy Two Shoes in the Jimmy Void in the chat. If you like this art here, very, very cool. So thank you for that. Once again, Jimmy, I appreciate you. All right, guys. And then we also had a chat right here from Crypto Noob. Don't seem like too much of a noob, man. He says, close to 200% profit the last couple of days. Let's go. Let's go. You guys are trading. You're making money. You're learning from the stream. I don't know specifically if Crypto Noob has already been trading before he joined the channel, but we have a lot of noobs that have been trying to get into trading. They've been losing, and they started watching the channel, and we've been helping them out. They're starting to win trades, or they might be complete beginners, and they're starting to win trades. So Crypto Noob, this is for you, man. We're going to throw some money out for you. Let's go. Let's go. CandleMafia out there crushing the trading game. I love it. Thank y'all for being here. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into the charts. All right. So here we are on the Bitcoin weekly chart, right? Okay. So what do we got going on here, right? Let's go ahead and take a look. Oh, no.
Take a look.
Oh, no.
Good. I'm coming in the middle
or
something.
God.
I sent them your way, man.
Oh,
I
God.
know we're enemies now.
Hey, I said the same thing. We gotta watch out for each other, too.
We live in the same roof. I don't know. I've doxed ourselves.
Yeah, no, me and DZ are roommates. I think they do know that. But yeah, man. Yeah, we're gonna see what happens. It's gonna be interesting.
Try to pit us against each other, but
it's not gonna happen.
We got a brotherhood going on here.
Yes, that's right. Let's go. But yeah, guys. So we got that challenge going on. First channel to 100 subscribers. So who's gonna get there? We'll have to see. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting.
Do you have the jelly beans?
Yes, I have the jelly beans right here.
Okay.
We got the jelly beans. We got the bagel blaster.
I can confirm those. Yeah, they the real nasty ones.
Oof.
Like it's not a joke.
It's brutal.
I'll do it.
Brutal.
I'll do a whiff. Pretty bad.
DZ_BTC from NFT Alpha right there for you. There he is, the man, the myth, the legend. I know you guys know him from ATB. Thank you, everybody who came from ATB, and welcome. All right, so jumping back into the charts here, guys. Okay, so looking at the weekly, right? Weekly VWAP above the zero line again, right? Super indecisive, somewhat bullish, right? But overall, you know, on Market Cipher B at least, the weekly does look bearish. We talk about this all the time, so I'm just going to go over it real quick. Looking like the 2018 bear market, very, very similar. Money flow coming down into the red, money flow coming down into the red. So not the best look on the weekly chart, but hey, we got some bullish stuff going on too. That's what we're going to be talking about on this stream. So coming over right over to the daily, guys. This daily, we've been watching it. Are we going to get the green money flow crossover? We need this crossover. I think this could rocket us into a big move for Bitcoin, possibly, right? You want to keep in mind that the the weekly is looking bearish, but this is, I mean, I say it every day. This looks good. This daily looks good. It looks like it's primed for a move. Now, we're just going to have to see, you know, what happens here. Now, key levels of resistance right here at about 44,900, right? This is the top of this ascending triangle, and we could talk about ascending triangles just a little bit. Speaking of ascending triangles, guys, who saw the new video that we uploaded today, how to trade reversal patterns? We just released it earlier today. Definitely go check that out. It's a super, super simple explainer video about how to spot reversal patterns. And if you want to trade those reversal patterns and catch the bottom or the top, whether you're longing or shorting, I show you how to spot these reversal patterns and the right way to trade them, right? Because there's a couple of ways people do it. And, sometimes you can get wrecked if you do a certain way. And I let you guys know how to do it the right way. So definitely keep an eye, or not keep an eye out, but go check out that video right after the stream. It is up on the channel. And real quick on that subject, one more day left to join our, I don't have it on my desk, but our Ledger Nano S giveaway. Go to the 4-hour, 15-minute video. Actually, Tyler already put it in chat earlier. Maybe he could put it in one more time for you. You got to click on that video, watch it, like it, be a subscriber, and comment to enter the Ledger Nano S giveaway. So keep an eye out for that. We're going to be announcing the winner tomorrow. Okay, so we got this ascending triangle, right? Ascending triangles are usually, it's a bullish pattern, right? Typically, it's a bullish pattern. When you have price making higher lows, like you see here, there's a low, there's a higher low, there's a higher low. As you're approaching resistance, it is more likely for you to break up than down. Doesn't mean you can't break down, but it is more likely to break up, right? So definitely a good sign, right? And Bitcoin has done this in the past where it forms these these bullish patterns, these bullish ascending triangles. And typically when you see these, you see a pretty big move to the upside. So this is, if anything, this ascending triangle on the daily chart is a bullish sign. The money flow going from red, curving up to the zero line, looking like it wants to head this way into the green is another bullish sign, right? So this is what's making me feel like, we can get a bullish breakout for Bitcoin somewhat soon, right? So, or sometime soon rather, right? So, on that note, let's go ahead and take a look. Now, the price target, if this does break up, actually winds up coming in around 55K. So, right, so if we broke up there, it would come up to about 55K. Where is 55K? About right here, right? So, if we could get a break up to 55K, that is the price targets that we were originally thinking for the, original relief rally that we thought we were going to get right here on this little green run up. So we got binged and bonged around in here a little bit. So hopefully we can break up and finally hit those targets. Just a heads up. I just like to be transparent. If we do get up to those levels, I will be taking some more profit off of the table. If we go back to find new all-time highs, I will keep some in, but I will be taking some more profit off the table if we get back up there, right? You got to hedge your bets because we are in a fragile market environment. We have tons of worldly events going on that could be affecting the price. So you got to hedge your bets. You got to be safe. You got to take your profit, right? If you're not taking profit, you're not making money. You don't want to just be rich on paper, right? You don't want to just be making tons of money on paper. You want to be able to realize those profits, sell, and get that, we don't love fiat around here, but you want to get those Benjis, right? You got to get those Benjis. You got to get those bagels, those baguettes, all that, right? So Now, if we did break down, right, if we wound up breaking down out of this triangle, we would be looking to be coming back down to these summer lows that we had right around here, just rough lines. Back down to this accumulation zone that we hit in the summer after the May dump, right? Oh, God, that fall is insane. Just blood on the streets there. But yeah, we're going to be coming back down to this level. If we do break down, it seems that that would be the target, right? And obviously you're not just going to go straight down there, right? And if we do come down to this zone and break it, I would expect Bitcoin to be closer, come closer down to the, mid to low 20s, going to retest that last all-time high in the last cycle at about 20K. I would expect to enter into the mid to low 20s if we break this zone here. But it's not going to be, an instant drop down there, right? You got some stops. You're going to bounce, 30. You got 35. You're 38. You're gonna have some stops, right? So, we're not that far from 38 right now, but you're gonna have some stops down there. It's not gonna be it's not gonna be like a 1 minute candle down there, but that would be the eventual target. At about 29K based off of this ascending triangle. Then if we break that, probably going back down to the last all-time highs from previous cycle. That's kind of where we are. Very similar to yesterday, kind of how I'm feeling about Bitcoin, right? Remembering the long term, the longer time frames are looking bearish, and but the daily looking bullish, right? So maybe that's the rally we're looking for. Hopefully we could see some of the alts pop. And guys, I got some news. I'm going solo for this one. I don't know. Some of you might have been in, our friend Jason Casper's stream a little earlier. I did pop in there and said, "What's up?" And I'm just gonna say, me and Jason might be talking, behind the scenes about a possible collaboration. So if you guys want to see me and Jason Casper come together for a possible collaboration, let me get a hashtag JC in the chat so I know that's what you guys want to see. I think it'd be really, really, really fun to collaborate with him. He's a amazing YouTuber. He's funny. He does great TAs, an awesome trader. So would love to see that happen. Let me know what you guys think about that in the chat. Okay, so coming right back down to the charts. Let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum coming in at about 26,000. Wow, wouldn't that be a dream, right? Coming in at about $2,600, right? So again, we are watching this area right here on the golden pocket acting as very strong support. As you can see, we bounced here, we bounced here. Now, could we see, so this might sound familiar to some of you that already watched this reversal pattern video, could we be possibly seeing a nice little, W correction here, or a double bottom off of this golden pocket, possibly? So I would show you guys how you would trade this, but you got to go check out that video. I show you guys how you can watch these and get ready to trade them if they do break out. Typically, a double bottom is a bullish reversal pattern, right? So you go boom, boom, you get one bottom, you get two bottoms, and then you come up to higher prices. And there's a particular way that you got to trade these. Pretty simple, easy strategy. And then I also did just finish editing a new strategy video. Another very, very simple beginner-friendly strategy using all free indicators, right? I show you how to use it with Market Cipher B, but then I also show you other indicators that you could do the same strategy with basically the same results without having to spend a penny. If you do want to sign up for Market Cipher, I did put my my referral code. You get a discount. The first 100 people to sign up using the discount code, they get, I believe, $100 off. So if you are interested in getting, wow, JC fans in the house. Whoa. Okay. All right. I heard you. We're gonna work on that. All right. Okay. So yeah. Guys? You can't make it up. He literally just hit me up on Twitter. He just answered me. So there you go. There's the proof. I don't think you could see it, but you could see the little Jason Casper emoji right there. So we are in the talks. So look forward to that, right? Okay, so coming down to this golden pocket, we are sticking so far. Hopefully we can stay above this. Bitcoin can get that big move. Hopefully we see Ethereum follow somewhat and we get some higher prices for ETH. So, daily looking good, right? Money flow just really wanting to cross over there. In the next day or two, maybe 3 days, we got to get over that line at some point. Now, could we come up over that zero line and then straight back down and just come up for air a little bit and right back down into the red? Yes, that is a possibility. So we want to make sure that we're looking at other time frames and not just basing this off of the money flow, right? So you want to have confluence. I have a mosquito bite or something on my elbow here. But yeah, so not look at this. Daily's looking good as well. Let's come on down to the 4 hour. Let's go ahead and see here. All right, let me shrink this down and move this. Okay, now, all right. So yeah, this is the 4 hour. Money flow coming down on the 4 hour, but VWAP below the 0 line. So hopefully we can get this to cross up and over, right? Coming down to the 1 hour. Let's see here. We did get a money flow crossover into the green recently, but it does look like money flow is coming back down. VWAP rejected back up, so kind of mixed signals there. But nonetheless, not looking too bad. That daily's got me feeling hopeful. The daily's got me looking hopeful. Let's look at the 15-minute for fun. 15-minute crossover. You're coming up to resistance right here. Kind of starting to. I'm having trouble hearing you. Listen, Siri, you need to get out of here. Siri just interrupting the stream like that. Unbelievable. I do have an Australian Siri, by the way. Anyway, yeah, starting to peek through here, this little level of resistance, and hopefully we can get up there. You did print a green dot with the VWAP coming over, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. Look at this giant wick and just slammed back down with that blood diamond. Ugh. All right, let's go ahead and check chat real quick. Just got 7 subs and bells. Hashtag Bing Bong Biomex. Let's go. Let's go. I appreciate that. Yeah, guys, we got to run this up. Like I said, I am the underdog, right? We just started this channel like a little over a month ago. So I got a little catching up to do. So first we got to catch NFT update or NFT alpha, right? They have 17K, right? So we need 10 more thousand. I think we can get there. So we got to catch up to them. And then, oh God, you guys are really, all right. You guys really want that little Jason Casper collab. All right. Yeah, I heard you. We're in the talks. I just showed you the proof. But yeah, we got to get up there with the subscribers. So hopefully I can catch these guys. And how cool would that be if I could pull up a picture on the stream of the CandleMafia on the building, our massive 40,000 square foot building. That would be so epic. There's a main road. Everybody would see it. Would definitely be really, really cool. All right. So let's check chat real quick. Bada boom, bada boom. Can you show a small scalp on the FEMEX test net? I think it would be a good benefit. Wait, this person's name is Okay Frankie. Okay. That's a good name. I like that name. Yeah, we could probably do that. I might have to yeah, we could try to do that today. If we can't do that today, I will make that a priority tomorrow because I think you're right. That's a great suggestion. I think we could totally do that. Yes. I'll try to do it today. If not, tomorrow I will make it a part of the stream that we will do. That's a great point. Thank you for that. Okay, Frankie. Okay. Are you saying that? Is your name that because I say okay a lot? Like, okay. And who else do we got? Thank you for the Down to Earth TA, Betty. No problem. That's what we're here. We're the Down to Earth channel. I'm here for the people. That's kind of how I like to approach this channel. I like to help normal people, right? You don't have to be a mathematician. You don't have to be a genius. You don't have to have a super high IQ to be a good trader, right? I think that's a common misconception. You don't have to be a genius. You don't have to know a college level Ivy League calculus. It's a misconception. You don't need to know that. And I'm trying to simplify things and show you guys how you can simply read the charts and not get lost in the sauce. You know what I'm saying? How you guys could get lost in my sauce, but not lost in the confusing sauce. Anyway, let's see. Shine bright like a candle, Pearl says. What's up, Pearls? Thank you for being here, man. Shine bright like a candle. I love it. Let's see. Okay. Can you? Okay, we just read that. Let's see. The People's Channel. Let's go. Well, BitBoy Crypto's the People's Channel. We'll be the I don't know. We have to find a better term because we can't steal from BitBoy Crypto. But yeah, I mean, it's kind of a general thing with all of us, right? We're here for the regular people, right? Like, maybe we have some expert traders in here, but I want to show the regular people how they can get in to trading and make some really good money doing it. Okay. Sorry for the noob question, but what is VWAP? What does it stand for? So it stands for value weighted average price, right? It's VWAP or VWAP, but I say VWAP. But yeah, so there you go. That's what it stands for. And we can explain, if you have not watched my Market Cipher B video, definitely go check that out. I explain everything in that video. Let's see. I don't want to be in Frankie's sauce. Hashtag family channel. Epic. I got you. That's not what I meant, but I see how you took it that way. Are you seeing any formations on the Bitcoin chart that can confirm a looming uptrend? Yes, we'll take a look at that. We'll take a look at that in a second. Crispy Crypto Supreme. Let's go. Ooh, Crispy Crypto Supreme. I like that name. Let's see. Real talk. I bet all the girls want to get lost in your sauce. Oh God, I messed up using that verbiage, didn't I? But I am not happily married, but I am happily, happily. I have a wonderful, beautiful girlfriend that I love very much. Not single, but let's see. The real ones. Trading People's channel. Yeah, we are the Trading People's channel. TA for everyone. Yes. I just work on farm, man. And want to make some extra money. Let's go, Simon. That's what I'm talking about. If you work on a farm and you never traded before, we're the channel where you can learn. And hey, Jason Casper farms too, so maybe he's your guy also. We could be your dynamic duo here. But if you put your video feed box on the other side of the screen, we could see the charts better. You're blocking the view. Yeah, that is only a problem sometimes. But it has been shouted out recently that is a problem. We could definitely do that. We could definitely move it over. That's no big deal. I will try to make sure to do that tomorrow. All right. Yeah, synthetics news. Yeah. Okay, Jesse, let's take a look at synthetics real quick. All right. Let's see. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look here. Now, and I'm going to be talking about why why I am keeping an eye on synthetics, right? Now let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so let's go over to the daily here, right? So this is naturally, this is kind of why I'm looking at synthetics, right? So when you take a look at this chart, let me take off Market Cipher A so it's a little easier to see, right? When you look at this chart, right, just look at these all-time highs, right? Or I guess this all-time high, but also over here, right? Just look over here, and then look where we were all the way down here, right? We're down in this area again. Look how low we are in relation to the all-time highs, right? Just this is quality professional TA guys here. Look at these lines. But yeah, just in general, like you want to look at the all-time highs up here, and then look where you were down here. Now we're back down in this zone. I mean, what is this drop from the all-time high? I mean, you're down 87%, right? I mean, how much lower could it go? That's kind of my thought, right? Obviously, I guess you could go lower, but I mean, you're pretty dang low here. I mean, so that kind of has me piquing interest, right? When a coin is very, very, very down, sometimes when I trade, I will go on CoinMarketCap and I'll sort through biggest losers, right? And if I see good coins that are not like super far down the list in market cap, if I see a top 20 coin that's one of the top losers for the day, that might be a good coin to go ahead and look for trade long setups, right? Because it's getting crushed already. And if it's down like 20, 30%, there's always a rebound when you fall a big percentage, you're always going to have, even if you continue down, you're going to have a bounce eventually, right? So you find those big losers, and then you can go to the chart and start to look and see if there's any long setups, right? But here you go. I mean, we're down 87% from the all-time high. Now, let's go ahead and, VWAP. Money flow curving up to the zero line, right? Now, let's go ahead and zoom in. Let's look at the 4 hour, right? Let's look at the 4 hour. Let me just resize here a little bit. Okay. So if you could see right here, right? Let me grab my brush tool, right? Momentum coming up, right? And price coming down. Guys, look at this. These divergences, I feel like I'm beating a dead horse by saying this, but these are powerful. So you have this coin that's 87% down from its all-time high, and you get a bullish divergence on the 4 hour. And what was this move? Boom, 40%, right? So this is how you can spot these good long trades, right? So it's already crushed. You got a bullish divergence on a decently, not a super long time frame, but the 4 hours decent, right? So this would have been a great trade. And when you zoom out again, if you zoom out, you're still in the grand scheme of things. I mean, look, this chart, it's off the charts, right? You're still very, very far down. So you might have room to come up quite a bit. Now, I wouldn't FOMO into this trade quite yet because look, you know, oh, we don't want to set an alarm. You know, you are coming down to an area of resistance, right? That's why you're seeing this pullback. You could see that you rejected right here. There was support back here, and then I kind of interacted here, but not really. But yeah, and then if you keep coming down, you held this support, you know, support right here, different, you know, 3 or 4 times, support again, resistance. So you know this is a level, right? So you know, you are coming up to that area. If you come down to the 1 hour, you could probably see it a little clearer. You did see, you came and you bumped your head on this, but it's banging on it, right? It's banging on the door. It's banging on the door. And you know, the more times you bang on the door, the more likely someone is to come and open that door. So definitely want to keep an eye on it, but you are cooling off a little bit. You did have a pretty decent rip up. So obviously you're going to expect a little bit of a pullback. But, you know, VWAP coming up on the 1 hour, money flow starting to come down a little bit. So you might cool off a little more. But this, I have my eye on synthetics for this reason. You're crushed all the way down from the all-time high, 87%. And you're getting these bullish divergences. You know, if you come on over to the daily, you know, again, you know, momentum coming up, price coming down, right? So this is the reason I am keeping an eye on synthetics. That's why I wanted to bring it up today. So because you're down. I mean, you're as down basically as you get, right? I mean, you could go lower, but I mean, it's down. It's down. So definitely want to keep an eye over there on SNX. All right, let's go ahead and check chat real quick. Do you think synthetics can come back to all-time high? Now, Chris, I don't know about, you know, I'm going to be a little wary saying that it can happen this cycle. Could it? I mean, anything can happen, right? It really depends on what Bitcoin does. So we can get, we have to wait for Bitcoin to make a move so we can get a better idea of what's going on with this cycle, right? Because at this point, if we're going to go to all-time highs at this point, that would mean that the cycle theory, the 4-year cycle theory is changing, right? And we've never seen that before. So you want to take that into consideration. Frankie, if you're surprised about aesthetics, then check ICP. Yeah, I think ICP is never going to stop going down. I'm just kidding. I don't really keep track of ICP that much. But yeah, what's good, folks? Hey, C. Carter NYC repping the New York gang. Let's go. Hey, C. We are in the New York Bagel Factory where we count the sesame seeds so you don't have to. They know what a good New York bagel is like. Yeah, so shout out to our New York gang. You know, representing in the house. Okay, Frankie, okay, says, what does take profit mean? I know, sometimes it's hard to take profits. It's something you got to learn. I'm actually going to be making a video on taking profits, right? Someone requested it. And I think it'd be really helpful for you guys. I'm going to show you where you could take profits in trades. And then maybe I'll talk about taking profits in a longer term sense, right? For your longer term investments, not your day trades, right? So I'll show you levels, where to set your stop loss and take profits. I think I touched on it in the stop loss video that we did, but I'm going to make a take profit focused video letting you guys know where to take profits during trades, and then also in your long-term, strategies you can use to take profits in a longer-term strategy. Jimmy Two Shoes says, make your move, Bronx Bitcoin bulls, ready, bull or bear. That's right, Jimmy, we're making money either way. When we're dumping, we're caking, and when we're ripping, we're riching. We're I don't know, but we're making money whether the price is going up or down. That's for dang sure. All right, let's see. Compound. We could take a look, Christian. We could take a look at Compound here soon. Let's see. Okay, chat jumping all over the place. FTM2, somewhat close to synthetic situation. Yeah, we can take a look at FTM. Hashtag NY Pearls. Let's go to the Great Pyramids of Giza. Can you take a look at Jasmine? Yeah, we're gonna take a look at the Curvexo. We're gonna take a look. We could take a look at the alts a little later in the stream. You guys can shout out all the alts you want to look at, and I'm just gonna run through them rapid fire. Frankie, Michael Corleone says hello. Let's go. What's up, Mikey? The Godfather, guys. We got the Godfather in the chat, so show some respect to the Godfather. He's in there. All right. Can you? Let's see. Miami showing love, really loving your channel. Keep going, Christian. I appreciate that. I will keep going for you. Let's get it. I have a trade set up for XRP, and I want to see your take. Thanks, Frankie. Bing bong. Greg, yeah, let me know what you're seeing, and we can take a look at it. Tyler just tried that one. Okay. Please do. I'm not a greedy person, but sometimes you say to yourself, let me keep going just a little more. Yeah. Anytime I've been wrecked, right? 99% of the times that I've ever gotten wrecked have been because of greed, right? It is the hardest thing to get past because you always want that extra little pump. You always want a couple extra dollars. But you learn over time that it's much better to take some profit rather than wait for a little bit of extra profit and then price just turns around and you get wrecked, right? You wind up with nothing. You wind up losing money. So it's a bad feeling when that happens, but hey, you got to learn through experience. That's for sure. All right. Do you find trades by looking at losers, volumes, gainers? Yeah. So another thing is you want a coin with a lot of volume, right? A lot of volume is important. And then, yeah, you can look for biggest losers, right? That would help you, just sort through coins that could have good long setups. And then you could look at the top losers to find good short setups, right? But you don't just want to like find a coin that's down and then just jump into a short, right? You want to find coins that are down, browse through them, do your TA, and see if you find any bearish divergences or you're coming up to really strong support or resistance levels, stuff like that. You want to make sure that you do your due diligence before getting into the trade. You want to let the trades come to you. All right, intro waiting music should be Shayla Luna. That'd be sick. Let's see. What do you think about ETH? Should I put the money in? We just looked at ETH. Let's take a look really quick again. Coming down to the golden pocket, right? Hopefully it's going to act as very strong support, right? Or a golden pocket, right? But hoping it acts as some pretty strong support to come back up to the upside. We are currently on the come down to a lower time frame here. If we zoom in a little bit, you are coming down to some micro resistance, starting to break through. Hopefully we can flip this into support and then come up to higher prices, right? Maybe creep back towards that $2,700 area. No one got wrecked taking profit, only squatting too heavy. Yes, absolutely. Frankie, can you do 10 jumping jacks so we know you're real? Well, we'll see. I can almost guarantee you, smash the like button if you want to see me do jumping jacks, because 9 times out of 10 when we spin the wheel, it lands on jumping jacks. I don't know why. How do you take some profit on Femex without closing your entire position on mobile? There's no option, I don't think. James, we could talk about that in a minute here. We can show maybe actually, you know what? If we can't get to the Femex stuff today, I will make sure to go make that a section in the live stream tomorrow, and I can go through and show you guys how to do it. Or eat a banana. I ditched the banana, guys. I saw where that was going, and we threw the banana out. NYC in the house. Queens, representing from Queens. What part of Queens are you from? Aladino Vasquez. What part of Queens are you from? What about 30 days? Top 100 losers to buy? Yeah, I mean, top losers. You find top losers on CoinMarketCap. That's also you could just sort by the highest sale, right? I mean, those are the coins that are on sale. Obviously, don't buy an S coin that is down because it's not a good coin. Just but you want to find some blue chips or some coins, top 20s, top 50s that might be huge losers to find good entry points to just DCA into. All right, XRP, baby, let's go. All right, let's go take a look at XRP here. Okay, XRP on the daily, right? And then we're gonna go right into this where is it? Right here. We're gonna go and take a look at an article here real quick so we can talk about some Ripple stuff or Ripple related stuff. Okay, so daily, right? Again, guys, we're gonna be closing a daily candle in 39 minutes. It's gonna happen live on the stream. So we're hoping to get closer to the zero line. We need this zero line crossover, right? So looking pretty good on the daily, right? Looking good on the daily. Let's go ahead and go down. Let's check the 6 hour. Let's check some. Yeah, I mean 6 hour money flow coming up, and VWAP as well, right? Same look on the 8 hour, right? Coming down to the 4 hour. 4 hour VWAP coming close to crossing the zero line. Money flow kind of coming down, but starting to flatten out. Not horrible, not horrible. Hopefully that VWAP comes up. We can come back and test this 76-cent area. And then, we do have some resistance up here. But hopefully we can fight through it. Take a look at the 2 hour. Money flow coming up, VWAP above the zero line. However, that's giving us sideways vibes. Coming down to the 1 hour, right? VWAP coming down. Money flow in the green. I got to make these money flow waves a little more, see-through so I can see that VWAP a little better. But Actually, let me just do that right now real quick. Let me just bring this opacity down. I mean, this opacity. Okay. Yeah. Oh, now it's too hard to see. Oh, God. Oh, God. We overcompensated, guys. Yeah, so you got that VWAP coming down. But money flow in the green, not looking too bad. Yeah, I mean, really for me, I'm waiting for setups. The daily looks good, so I'm looking for setups. I'm just keeping an eye on these coins, waiting for someone to make a move here. Hopefully, Bitcoin can make that move. Yeah, VWAP. I mean, on a 15-minute, just taking a look here for fun. No bullish, no bearish divergence, but always looking out for those bearish divergences because they play. They do play. All right. So there's XRP. Let me just kind of see in terms of, yeah, let's see. I mean, you got the support. Trying to see if we can get any setups here. No, I mean, we're going to have to work our way back up to that 76-cent level. Going to be keeping an eye on this 4-hour VWAP and this 15-minute, this 15-minute money flow. We are in the green, but maybe it comes down into the red, and then we get the green money flow crossover at the same time as the 4-hour VWAP crossover. You guys know what that means. We're keeping an eye on. I'm keeping an eye on this 4-hour to hopefully work our way back up to this red line up here at about 76 cents. And that would be, if you were able to get a trade, about 3-4%. Throw some 10x leverage on that, you're making 40% on your money. That means if you're trading with $100, right? So your position size is $100, and you get that move, you can be making 40 bucks. Just almost getting 50% on your money is not bad, right? All right, look at this, guys. You guys are chatting down here. Let's see. Actually, can you add that for Bybit also? Yeah, Ian, I got you. Yes, you could take profits without closing on FEMAX. Yes, short answer, yes. Let's see. Forget about it. Where's the coffee, Jimmy Two Shoe says. Frank, are you from NYC? Chris, I'm not from NYC. I'm from Long Island, though. I am from Long Island. Now reside here in Atlanta, Georgia, here with the BitBoy Crypto and Hit Network squad over here. Just loving life down here. Loving life. Great place to be. Do miss New York just a little bit. Gotta miss you miss the bagels, you miss the pizza, you miss the people, right? But definitely loving it down here in Atlanta, Georgia. Great place as well. Frankie's bearish on bananas. Yes, I am. All right, let's see. When are you jumping into altcoins to leverage when Bitcoin is running up or down, right? Well, we got to watch the charts. We got to see where the setups are, right? So it's going to be very dependent on what's going on the charts. But typically what you see is you'll see Bitcoin have a big run up, right? And then when Bitcoin hits a target, right, and a lot of people, psychological resistance, or probably, if we do get that run up to about into the 50,000s, that would be where you would people would start to take profit pretty aggressively, in my opinion. And then usually what happens is, that money that is taken out of Bitcoin runs down into the altcoins, and that's when you see that altcoin season. However, this cycle has been a little weird, so we don't know how it's going to play out. But typically you see the profits taken from Bitcoin flow down into the alts. They go into the from Bitcoin to the higher cap, like the top altcoins, the blue chip altcoins. Then it goes down into the mid caps, and then down into the small caps and the micro caps. So it's kind of like a fondue fountain, if you could think of that. All right, let's see. I mean, who wants to work on a weekend, right? I mean, hey, I work on the weekends if it's for you guys, that's for sure. Luna, please. Let's take a look at Luna. Obviously, you guys know Luna has been on an absolute ripper, hitting new all-time highs. Where's she at? There she is, our beautiful friend Luna. Look at her go. Look at her go, guys. All right, let's go ahead and come over to the daily, right? Daily money flow crossover was 2 days ago. We got that money flow crossover on the daily, right? Look at that. You got that breakout, right? Boom, boom. Came down, right? Rejected off of here, came down, came up to test the resistance again, cooled off a little bit. Money flow crossover, VWAP crossover, right? Almost at the exact same time. These are powerful. If you ever see VWAP and money flow coming up at the same time, it could mean that there's a strong move in place. And we're starting to come up above this resistance. So yeah, setting new all-time highs. Exciting for Luna. So let's go ahead and zoom in and see what we can expect in the short term, right? Daily looks great. The green money flow wave, the red turned into green, right? I don't know why I'm saying this so weird. You have the money flow crossover from red to green, right? And you're just at the beginning here, right? You just ticked over. So let's go ahead and see what happened. Oh, this is a young chart. Okay. Well, I was going to try to see what happened last time we had a money flow crossover, but we've only been in the red twice here. So gonna have to see if we can find an older chart. But yeah, typically, I mean, if you just kind of look fractal wise, right? Let's go ahead and grab our bars pattern, right? And let's go from here to there and then drag it on over here, right? And try to resize it just a little bit. Yeah, so not quite fitting there, but you could kind of just see here, right? You came up, you cooled off, you broke through resistance, right? You came up, you cooled off. Are you going to break through resistance? We'll have to find out, right? Just still that, that kind of that same move. Up, cool off, blow off, right? Up, cool off. Can you get that move to the upside, right? Doesn't mean it's, definitely going to play like that. Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay. Guys, give me 1 second. We got a low battery. I don't want to ditch you guys halfway through the stream here. Let me get this plugged in real quick. Okay. Okay. That was close. That was close. All right. We're back. Okay. So yeah, let's see what can happen here for Luna. Looking kind of similar to this area here. I don't know where that money flow crossover would have been, but yeah, looking kind of similar to that. Doesn't mean it's definitely going to play out, right? But it could, right? All right. So get rid of those lines. Now let's go ahead and zoom in and see what we're looking at on, the lower time frames. Market cipher B, kind of late to the party here. There we go. Come on, Luna. Market cipher. I just called market cipher Luna. I'm just bad with names. All right, let's see here. All right, 4-hour VWAP crossover, right? Starting to cross back over down to the crossover the zero line to the downside, right? So yeah, as you guys can see here, actually, let me come down to the 2 hours so we can see a little more zoomed in here, right? So you came up, you came down, now you broke again. You would want to look. I'm going to be keeping an eye on this retest right here, right? Because this is probably, that's typically where how you want to trade breakouts, right? You don't want to trade on the breakout like right here. You don't want to do that. You want to wait for a retest, right? So you weren't able to stick the support there. You came back down, right? So you come back up. You're looking for it to stick here and come to the upside. But yeah, let's go ahead and come down to the 1 hour, check out market cipher B and see if we can see anything interesting. Right, here you go. This looks like you could have a bullish continuation here. So VWAP came down, but quickly turning to the upside. So we're going to want to keep an eye on this. If you get this VWAP crossover, you might get a bullish continuation and go to higher prices. Luna just going absolutely bonkers. Okay, do you have a bearish divergence? Hard to say. That's a close one. That is a close one. This is, not quite, but, you do have momentum coming down, right? So you're probably going to come down and at least test this area at about 96, 93. So yes, that is keeping an eye on that, right? And if I were to draw this area as a range, right, I would probably do this, right? Something like that. Something like that, right? So you want to remember that support and resistance is usually a range, right? It's not just a line. Because you don't want to get faked out. It's easy to get faked out when you draw them as just lines. So you like to make it into a range, right? Just like this. Because you can see sometimes you come below, but you still stuck it, right? We came below with this wick here, but you still came back in. So you want to make a range. That's the way. That's the right way to do it. Or the better way to do it, I should say. Frankie, move the chart to the left. Oh, God. I don't know why this has never really been that big of a problem before. But for some reason, maybe I'm just putting the chart this way more than I usually do. So I'll try to keep everything to the left of my box. I'll keep an eye on it here. But yeah, I was just looking at momentum coming down this way, right? You do see that momentum is coming down. You're probably going to move down as the VWAP is below the zero line. But once that VWAP crosses up, hopefully we can get a little green dot here and a bullish continuation, but we'll have to see. And then coming over to the 15-minute, no bearish divergence, no bullish. So yeah, you're just kind of hanging out up here, trying to find support, trying to get comfortable up here, right? And look at very similar moves, right? Very similar moves. Interesting. Okay, so there's Luna for you guys. Can you chat about hidden divergences? We could try to talk about that. I'm probably going to come out with a video on hidden divergences, Chris. So yeah, keep a lookout for that. We got a lot of videos listed. I'm going to try to start releasing 3 a week and then try to just crank it up as much as we can so I get as much content out as possible for you guys. But yeah, if I get a chance, we could try to cover it today. If not, you know, we can cover it in tomorrow's stream or a video. But yeah, guys, so back to Ripple. I do just want to bring up this article here. Now, you have Brad Garlinghouse, right, talking about why he too, guys, we were talking about this yesterday, right? You know, we were talking about why I think that this executive order could actually be good for crypto. You know, you get these people who hear about the executive order, oh my God, crypto regulation is coming, right? And you get that like, you know, that instant reaction where everybody gets scared and you get a little down spike, right? But I was saying yesterday how I think it could be a bullish thing, right? Because number one, you have the president of the United States recognizing crypto, right? That means that crypto cannot be ignored anymore, right? Like remember, people who have been in crypto, any of you guys in chat that have been in crypto for a long time, a lot of times you would bring up crypto to people, they'd be like, yeah, what's that? I heard about that. That's like a scam, right? And now we have the president talking about it, right? So it's a big thing for crypto, right? So Brad Garlinghouse put out this tweet or this reply, and he says, first and foremost, this is an affirmation that crypto is here to stay, right? I agree with that. I think I actually said something like that yesterday. Okay, didn't want to click on Twitter. But yeah, so, you know, first and foremost, this is an affirmation that crypto is here to stay. Thoughtful policy involves timely input from players, and there's a lot across the federal government, right? I don't want to mistake activity for progress, but this does feel like it could be a turning point, right? Because we're gonna need, you know, some sort of regulation if we want crypto to stay around, right? Otherwise, they're just gonna try to ban it. And listen, if the government can make tax money on it, they're gonna wanna use it, right? They're not, especially with the way things are now, they're gonna want, you know, the opportunity, they're going to see crypto as an opportunity to make money, right? So if that's the case, they're going to do their little regulation thing and hopefully they see a way to profit off of it and maybe they won't just completely crush it, which I do believe in the statement that was released or whatever, they were saying that their goal is to not crush the market. That's not their goal. And the next thing says, the White House finally says what we and the industry have been saying for years. If the U.S. wants to maintain its status as a responsible tech leader, it needs to provide a clear regulatory framework for an industry that's exploding in growth, 40 million Americans and counting, right? That's the other thing too. A lot of people have been talking about, you know, you don't want America to fall behind, right? In this, you know, crypto's not going anywhere. If America doesn't adopt it, right, and then another country does, they're going to get ahead, right? And that's not what America wants. They want to be a world power. They want to be the best. They want to be the strongest. So it would be in their best interest to adopt crypto rather than just ban it. So very, very important. XRP chart printing in about 26 minutes. I have a timer going. Okay, thank you, Tony. Let's go. All right, let's see. Frankie, your PMP might be too big. Yeah, maybe we'll shrink myself down. Yeah, good point. Thank you for that. If you guys haven't been here, it's worth coming to check out once, but not a place to live. Oh, are you talking about New York? It's very hard to survive in New York. I don't know if that's what you're talking about, Jeremy, but yeah, it's hard to live in New York. It's very expensive. It's very, very expensive. One of the reasons I left, right? New York is a very special place. Fun. I actually kind of tell people the same thing, Jeremy. It's a great place to visit. If you've never seen New York City, it is a spectacle. I mean, especially as you're flying over it, you know, or going over a bridge. I mean, it's a spectacle. It is insane. I actually took a helicopter tour, right, of New York City where they had the doors off the helicopter and I was sitting on the floor of the helicopter with my feet hanging out of the door. It was really, really, really cool. Amazing to see. Amazing city. But yeah, very hard to live there, especially if you're in the actual city. Long Island's not easy either. But yeah, the further from people you are, the more fun you're allowed to have. I feel you, dog. All right, let's see. I'm in a long. Let's go, Carlo. Best of luck to you. I'd love to know what you're longing. Hey, Frankie, is FTM ready to go? It seems like it's been in a downtrend forever, but there's always a lot of volume. By the way, love your stream. Christine, thank you very much. I appreciate you for being here. Let's go ahead and take a look at FTM. Guys, 228 likes. Let's get it. 267 concurrent viewers. Thank you all for being here. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button so we could put my name and the CandleMafia up on our building. So yeah, thank you guys for being here. Smash that like button if you want to spin the wheel of pain and pleasure for a chance to win a giveaway, or see me eat a really hot jelly bean, or jumping jacks, or a mixture of other fun challenges for you guys, not me. Well, sometimes me. But let's go ahead and take a look at FTM, right? Let's look at the Bitfinex chart. All right. Let's see. Ooh. What is this? Oh, this is the 15-minute? All right. Well, you had a little bullish divergence there, but let me get rid of that fib. All right, so let's go on to the daily for FTM. Guys, today's energy is brought to you by Black Coffee. Gotta love this stuff. All right. So, yes. Yeah, you're right. Again, kind of the same idea, right? Look at this. Kind of the same idea as before, the synthetics. You know, I mean, just generally looking at this chart, you don't even need a candlestick chart or market cipher. I mean, you can kind of just see, like, you're down here, right? Here's your all-time highs, right? And you're down here again, right? So you're pretty low. You are coming up to some strong support right here. You know, it doesn't mean you can't break it, but as you can see, whoop, got rid of my line there. Boom. So, you know, as you can see, this acted as resistance down here. Let me get rid of market cipher B so we can see a little better. So yeah, you got support, support, resistance, resistance, support, 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 right? So I would, you know, it's likely that you hold this, you know, hold this spot, right? Hold this support level, just because it's so strong, and you're super far. I mean, you're super crushed from the all-time highs, right? Let's just go ahead and measure that out really quick. Boom, boom. Yeah, I mean, 64%. I mean, you're pretty far down there. You know, so, you know, keep an eye on this. I mean, I would say this is pretty low. This is kind of, you know, let me just pull up Gala really quick. Let me just pull up Gala. All right, so look at this. Kind of where, you know, when we saw Gala down here, before we called it, it's still circled from where we called it. It's saying I was buying, you know, I was buying Gala down here. I think it was actually the day before it popped. But we called that on the live stream, and you know, it's kind of the same idea. I mean, look how far down we were, you know, 77%. I mean, it doesn't mean that you can't buy here and it'll tank. I mean, that can happen for sure. But, you know, when you're down that far, I mean, it's never a bad time to at least start DCAing, right? Or looking for long positions using other forms of TA, right? Because, you know, could you go lower? Absolutely. But I mean, you've held it for so long here, right? You know, it's likely that you would see at least some sort of move, right? So just kind of another example. Let's go back to FTM. So yeah, okay, boom. All right, let me get rid of this ugly line. Okay, so yeah, I mean, probably not, you know, not financial advice. I don't actually have any FTM, but I don't know why I say that. I just figure maybe you guys like to know. You're curious. I don't hold any of this, not for any specific reason. You know, just sometimes you can only buy so many coins, right? You got to get in some, and then you can't use that money on 2 coins. So, so it's not that I don't like it. I just, you know, just never invested. But anyway, yeah, I mean, especially here, you even have better support than on Gala, in my opinion, right? Because you have this strong support, strong resistance, support, right? So this line is obviously very, very, very key, right? So let's go ahead and pull a fib, right? Let's go all the way back here. Boom. And we will come all the way to this low. Boom. Oh, no, actually, let's do this. Let's go from here. It's kind of rough. We're super zoomed out here, guys. Yeah, that's a sketchy fib. I don't even want to use it. Anyway, but yeah, I mean, I would say not financial advice, but I mean, you're pretty low here, right? You're pretty low. You've held it many times. Might not be a bad idea. Maybe I might DCA a little bit into this, you know, but you have to be careful, right? Because with the weekly looking so ugly, right? You have to at least be open to the fact that we could be in a bear market, right? So if we are in a bear market and we break out of Bitcoin's ascending triangle, right? Taking a look back at Bitcoin, Taking a look back here, and we're going to take a look at the DXY too, guys. As you guys know, we brought that up the other day. If we do break out of this ascending triangle to the downside, right? Not typical of a ascending triangle, but we could break it down, right? And we're going to come down to 28 or 29, that range, right? That's going to crush the altcoins as well. So, and then if we break that and we go down into the low 20s, like, I mean, everything's going to get hammered. So, yeah, so you want to, when you're making these decisions in something like FTM, like this looks like it looks like a good level to buy, but as long as you are aware that there is a chance that it could drop lower. That's why I always preach, don't put your whole bag in, right? Don't put your whole bag in, but maybe put 10% of your bag in. And then that way, if it rips up a little, like you just DCA in slowly, right? So if it goes lower, you just get a lower entry point. So that's kind of my advice there. Not financial advice, just life advice. Let's see. Wick says, don't fall for the, it's got to come up eventually trap. I hold some baby tokens like DGB, Vechain, and CELR that have yet to see a run, and I can't assume it'll pan out. Yeah, I mean, sometimes you got to know when to let go, right? You gotta know when to cut your losses as well. That is a good point, Wick. But yeah, it depends on, also depends on your original entry points on the coins too, right? At this point, I mean, I got into Vechain pretty early, but even me, like, I mean, I got in at like 2 cents, I think, which is pretty early. What was Vechain's? Let's take a look at Vechain, actually. Let's take a look at Vechain. But just really quick while we have this Bitcoin chart up, guys, key resistant level to watch, 44.8, 44.9, this level right here. And then key support level, 38K, right? We got to hold 38K. If we break 38K, we're probably going to see some decent downside. So 38K for support, that's what we're watching. 44.8, 44.9 is what we're watching as the resistance. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look at Vechain here. Where is he? Where is he? I know he's here somewhere. There he is. Okay. Yeah. So, I mean, kind of similar situation, right? We're all the way up there. I mean, I bought in at 3 cents and we hit almost 30 cents, right? I mean, I did take some profit, but I am still holding a bunch of it. So, now Vechain is a very good project, right? So you could expect, Vechain to be around for the long term. When we have another bull cycle, Vechain is most likely going to come back. They have an actual use case. It's being used. The technology is strong. The project is strong. So it's not like Vechain's a bad coin that's just dead. It's, in my opinion, it's definitely not dead. It will be back. It's one of the very few cryptos that's actually used and has partnerships and all that good stuff. Has good utility. So yeah, definitely down. I mean, where are we down from this all-time high? It is brutal. I mean, this is a brutal chart to look at. Boom. Oh my gosh, why can't I? There we go. Boom. Oof, 84%. I mean, might not be a bad time. At this point, I'm pretty close to buying back in where I originally bought in at. It might not be a bad time. But yeah. I would, if you're still holding your Vechain, just know that it will most likely come back in the next bull cycle or our next, run up. All right, Frankie, look at Ren, retesting major support, maybe a good chance for a long. All right, we can take a look at that, Jesse. Thank you. Thanks, Frankie. Christine, no problem. I'm here for you. Can you look up, take a look at Block? Yes, we can take a look at Block as well. Love the new, Little Bird says, Frankie, love the new video. Looking forward to my win, needing that ledger. Let's go. Yeah, guys, if you want to go watch that 4-hour, 15-minute video, like, and comment, be a subscriber to get entered into that giveaway. I bought Vechain at 20 cents, so I'm in a deep hole. That's okay, Christine. That's okay. You got to learn sometimes through experience. Hey, RK Kid 22, just come on. Oh, look at XRP and Hex both daily. Yeah, we can take a look at Hex and XRP. We already did look at XRP, but I'll look at it for you again there. RK. BTC, bro, long. I got into early. Okay, gotcha. Isn't Vechain one of the largest utilized tokens? Yeah. Yeah, Christine. Okay. I guess let's take a look at Block first. I saw that one first. Bloctopia, KuCoin. All right. And guys, just wow. Is it BLOK, right? Yeah, Bloctopia. That's what we wanted to look at, right? Wow. Is this thing not crushed that bad? Dang, that's rough. Okay. Also, guys, just a really quick update. Tomorrow's stream, I do have to drive my girlfriend to the airport. So probably gonna have to cut. I will be live, but we're gonna have to probably cut it a little bit short. I don't know how early I'll have to leave, but I think we'll at least be able to go for an hour, just so you guys know. But we will be live. Okay, so yeah, I mean, this thing is crushed. What is this? Let's measure this. Insane. Boom. Yeah, I mean, 92%. I mean, it's 92% off, right? If you think of it that way and you're looking to buy, just if you're thinking about that 92% off, not financial advice, but I mean, what is your opinion on that? If they had PS5s and air fryers on 92% off at Walmart, I'd probably buy an air fryer and a PS5 if I didn't even want one. So they're basically free. So very, very interesting. Let's see. Solid sauce in 1 hour. Spring break, here we come. Let's go. Waiting for VWAP cross on the Bitcoin 4 hour. Correct. Take us on the drive to the airport. Let's meet the girlfriend. V-Slim, maybe we could do that. I don't know how I would do that logistically, but if we can figure it out, I will. My girlfriend's very camera shy, but maybe we'll warm her up to it. She's going to have to say hi to the CandleMafia one day. You guys are she's the biggest part of my life. You guys are the next biggest part of my life. Eventually, you're going to have to meet her. But yeah. All right, let's take a look back at XRP. Guys, we have a wild TJ in the studio. What is going on, TJ?
Yeah. Whoa, I'm messing up your wheel.
Oh, he's got the wheel.
Oh, you got the mic right there. Cool. What's up, guys? Just wanted to pop in and say, hey, I don't know if I'm in frame or not.
Yes, I think yes, you are.
Yeah, just wanted. Well, look at that.
Oh, hey, look at that. We're matching,
we
guys.
Almost matched. No, I heard you talking about Jess. You definitely have to come on the show.
That's it.
Yeah, it's game over. And hey, I know your boss, so and it's not me. It's not me. She works with my sister. So
I was just telling them, we got to win this competition to get the CandleMafia up on the building.
Yes. Okay. You guys don't know this. It hasn't launched on Hit Network yet. We got to get this rolling quick. We want a Frankie Candles sign on the front of our building. Don't tell NFT Alpha. Don't tell MetaMoney. But I'm pulling for Frankie, so let's make it happen.
Let's go. You heard it here first from the man, the myth, the legend, TJ. We're getting the CandleMafia on the building. Let's go. All right, guys, there you go. TJ, you never know who's going to pop in. And we're matching today. We do coordinate that in the morning, just so you guys know. You're probably thinking like, did you guys do that on purpose? We did. I call TJ in the morning. I say, hey, what color? And he says, usually black, white, gray, or army green. And then we just, we match up. But you guys heard it here first. TJ, the boss, the actual boss. I'm the chart boss, but he's the actual boss. He told you guys, let's get that subscriber count up so we can get the CandleMafia on the building here at BitBoy Crypto. All right. Frankie sign, V-Slim, let's go. Shout out V-Slim. Candlestick Mafia, let's get it. All right, real quick, let's look at XRP for RC. I forget your name, RK Kid 22. So I know you guys out here. You guys think probably, oh, he reads the chat. He doesn't know who asked what. I remember all you guys. You guys are like my friends. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at XRP again for RK the Kid or RK Kid 22. All right, so this is kind of what we're looking at. Let's clean this up real quick, just to. Too much information is bad information, guys. Usually I turn things on and off, but sometimes it's all on, and like this is hard to read, guys. If your chart looks like this, right, and you just got lines everywhere, and you're just like yeah, look at all. Whoa, hey yo. What the heck is going on? Okay, yeah. If you guys are just like, yeah, look at this, boom, boom, boom. Look at all these support levels. Like if your chart looks like this, do yourself a favor and delete all the lines and start fresh. Right? You don't want your chart to look like this. It's impossible to trade on a chart look like this. I see a lot of people's charts looking like this, and it's not good. It's not good. But anyway, so here on XRP, let's go ahead and take a look. Boom. Okay, so let's actually come down. Right, daily looking good, as everything is looking good on the daily. Right. Boom. We got VWAP coming up, money flow curving up slightly. But yeah, we're looking for that 4-hour crossover. We're gonna be keeping an eye on the 15-minute. My guess. Or, what I would be looking for, 1 hour. Oh, no, was it the 2 hour? Or I guess it was the 4 hour. Yeah. So looking for that 4-hour VWAP crossover. Hopefully the money flow can follow. And then, with that 4-hour VWAP, we're going to be looking at the 15-minute, looking for the money flow, maybe the 24-minute, the 12-minute, looking at all those lower time frames for a money flow crossover to possibly enter a trade. And then 76 cents is probably going to be the next stop. You have gotten resistance there a few times now. That would be the next test at 76 cents. But that daily is looking good. Might take a little bit of time to play out, but the daily is looking pretty good. So, yeah. And then also, guys, I was, if you guys watched the morning stream, BitBoy Crypto, then you will know that I did mention I was in a trade. Actually, it was a short, and I actually wound up getting stopped out, right, at a small loss. I don't know the exact percentage, but I did get stopped out, right? I don't win all my trades. Nobody wins all their trades. If someone says they only win their trade, they only win trades, they never lose, they're lying to you. I promise you that. Trust me, they're lying. They might win most of their trades or more. They might win more than they lose. That's totally possible. A lot of people do that, but no one wins all their trades. So I do like to share with you guys when I win and I lose. I know I share my wins, even if they're on the live stream, I show you guys, but I got stopped out earlier. Basically like a few minutes after I got on the stream, I got stopped out. Actually, because I had my stop loss a little too tight. I should have had it a little up. But you know, hey, you win some, you lose some. So I like to share my losses too with you guys because trading can get hard, and I don't want you guys to think that like the people who are trading a lot or are good at trading that they never lose, because they do. Okay, so TJ's bullish on CandleMafia. Absolutely, absolutely. TJ's our mascot. Get more women in here. Yeah, let's go, Christina. I'm actually. We have a decent amount of women in here. I'm pleasantly surprised by that. You know, crypto I feel like does lean heavy male. If you look at my YouTube analytics, it's mostly male, but we do have a decent amount. XRP Shillbilly says, "Love you, Frankie. You talk the way I think. Add squad, baby. Let's go." ADA squad, maybe ADA squad, XRP squad, add squad, ADD squad. I mean, hey, shout out to my ADD people. Let's go. This channel needs to hit 10K soon. Can't believe we're only at 7.5. Are we at 7.5? All right. I mean, I'll take it. But yeah, 10K incoming, guys. That's the new title for tomorrow's stream is Bitcoin. Bitcoin, probably the same thing as today. Bitcoin still in the same range as yesterday. And then parentheses is going to go Frankie Candle's YouTube channel, all-time high, question mark. 10K incoming. But yeah, I like hearing about losses more than wins. Thank you, Frankie. Yeah, of course, Connor. I will always share my wins and my losses. Can you take a look at, yeah, Jasmine? Yeah, we can, I don't know. I've never heard of that, but yeah, we could take a look. And then what was the other one you guys were shouting out? Frank, XRP chart printing in about 7 minutes. Okay, cool. Thank you for that, Tony. Okay, I don't know what I'm looking at. I typically don't like doing analysis on coins I don't know about, but I'll take a look at it for you. Okay. All right, guys. This thing is down. Is this ICP's brother? Oh, boy. Yeah. I don't know what this is, but it's, yeah. Woo. Yikes. All right. Not really. I mean, I don't know what this is, so I can't really like give you my good thoughts on it. Technically, I mean, on the daily, I mean, it's not good. It looks like a dead coin to me. I don't know if it is. Like I said, I don't know anything about it, but this looks like it was probably like, I don't know. This is not looking good. But yeah, I mean, yeah, there's something up with this thing. This is, yeah, there's really no analysis to be had. This thing is so deep in the red. Your VWAP came up below the 0 line. You got a little bit of a pop. Really nothing to see here. I mean, money flow coming up kind of on the 3-hour. VWAP coming down though, or maybe coming up. Yeah, coming up slightly. You did get a little pop here, but yeah, I don't know what this is, but this thing is down. I mean, yeah, on the 1 hour you're coming up. Like I said, you did have a pump here. What was this move here? Let's take a look. Boom. Yeah, 30%. I mean, yeah, this is hard to read. I mean, I don't know. It looks like a dead project to me. But I don't know enough about it to make that call. So yeah, not much. Just for fun, let's go ahead and see how far this thing is actually down. Oh my God. It's like, oh, I mean, it's not rug pull status, but I mean, it definitely doesn't look good. Yeah, and it's down 96%. It's almost $0. Yeah, I don't know a lot about it. Sorry, I couldn't give you a little more detailed analysis, but definitely not good. But I don't know a lot about it. So I'm sorry about that, but I tried. All right, let's see here. What do you think about cutting losses on AMP? I feel if this is a bear market, it's going to 0. Yeah, I mean, Looney, you know, AMP sat at 5 cents for what seemed like 7 years. Yeah, we could take a look at Ren, Jesse, no problem. But yeah, I mean, AMP was kind of a disappointment for me. I didn't get in that early. I got in, and I think let's take a look at it. Okay. Yeah, I mean, looking on the daily, oh wait, what is this? This is the wrong thing. I was like $272. Gee willikers. Okay. Yeah, I was gonna say, yeah, I mean, like AMP's not a dead project. This kind of looks similar though. I mean, yeah, I don't know. I was disappointed with AMP. I'm still holding my AMP. Yeah, thing is disappointing. It's at 2 cents. I mean, yeah, I mean, I don't know. It's hard to say. I mean, we really need Bitcoin to make a move if we want to see any kind of upside for AMP. But yeah, I feel like AMP is the forgotten coin. Yeah, I mean, daily VWAP coming up, 4 hour, 4 hour money. I mean, yeah, doesn't look too good. I mean, possible bullish divergence. Yeah, I mean, yeah, let me grab my brush tool real quick. Yeah, I mean, from here to here. Yeah, somewhat of a bullish divergence here. But yeah, I mean, nothing here is really up. There's our random line for the day, guys. Yeah, I mean, nothing here really screaming that this thing's going to go or anything. Yeah, I mean, look at the 4 hour. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I'll tell you this. I'm in the same boat. 2 minutes. Thank you for that, Tony. Tony's on it. Thank you for that, brother. Okay, let's go ahead and see here. What were we? Oh, 2 minutes. Okay, yeah, 4 hour. Okay, yeah, let's see this. Let's look for this VWAP. Let's see. Maybe we could see this move live. Actually, we still have 2 minutes. Yeah, thank you, Tony. Keep the countdowns coming. All right, let's see. Frankie, check out Flux. You can take a look at D-Ray's Flux. Flux is a scam. All right, just because he called it out as a scam, let's go ahead and check it. Oh, all right. It doesn't look. I mean, I'll be honest. Chart-wise, AMP looks like more of a scam than this does. AMP's not a scam. I'm not saying it's a scam. I'm just saying it looked like it. I don't know if Flux is a scam. I'm not promoting this coin. I don't know if it's a scam. I'm simply just telling you what I see on the charts. I mean, you're holding support. I mean, holding. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you're holding support on the daily. Your money flow is not really coming up, but VWAP above the 0 line. Let's look at the 4 hour. Actually, hang on. Let's come back to the daily real quick. No bullish divergence, but almost. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Kind of indicative of sideways action. Just coming down the time frames here. Money flow coming up on the 2 hour. Kind of nice curvature on the 2 hour with that money flow. Kind of come down, right? Coming up, kind of creeping along this 0 line, looking for the crossover. However, your VWAP is above the 0 line, so that might come down, looking sideways. You kind of have been moving sideways here for a little bit, so might just continue seeing this kind of action. Look at the 1 hour. Money flow crossover on the 1 hour. You did get a little bit of a move, right? Did get a little pump here. But yeah, I don't know what this is either, so I can't give you my full analysis here. But yeah, I mean, looks like you're probably going to be going sideways possibly for a little bit, kind of continuing in this. Let's go ahead and, yeah, I'll just, probably going to continue somewhat, in this range here. You did break out a little bit. Oh, look at that. You popped another little green candle. Frankie, good time to buy more ADA. Let me go ahead and check, but let's just go ahead and check on this XRP because we are going to print that. Let's see if we can catch it live. 4 hour. Okay. Oh my God, we missed it by like 1. We missed it by seconds, guys. We missed it by seconds and we got rejected. Oh no, we didn't. Yeah. So yeah, VWAP, VWAP not, didn't decide to curve closer up. It kind of flattened out. Still coming up somewhat, but not what we were looking for. Money flow coming back down. Not really what we were looking for. That means we did print another daily candle too. Yeah, his VWAPs. Let's look what it looks like on Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Guys, it doesn't. This is painful, guys. This is so painful to look at every single day. Crossover, Bitcoin. Money flow. I'm pissed. This has got to cross over if we want to see some moves here. Ugh. Sorry, guys. Sorry. I'm sorry. All right, let's see here. Let's see. Thank you for those timestamps, Tony. If you guys just got in and you want to, skip to a specific part of the stream, Tony's got timestamps right there for you. And we are working on putting actual timestamps into the video. We had a meeting. We're getting that all figured out. Announcing the Discord tomorrow. We're announcing the Discord tomorrow, guys. It's ready. It is ready. Shout out to Decker. He set it up for us. He's one of our wonderful employees here at the Hit Network and BitBoy Crypto. All right, let's see. Is that ADD or ADHD, Frank? Hey, we'll take ADDHD. How about that? Let's see. Okay, yeah, we could take a look at Kadena, Shillbilly, no problem. Frankie, good time to buy more ADA. Yeah, I will look at that first because I did see that first. ADHD squad, baby. Let's go. Let's see. Thanks, broski. No problem, Mr. A. Or I don't know if you're thanking me, but anytime. The markets are just so boring right now. Yeah, definitely. Okay. Hex has been moving nice since yesterday. We'll take a look at Hex. Okay. All right. So let's look at, oh no, I forgot it already. ADA and then Kadena. ADA and Kadena. Okay. All right. Looking at ADA. All right. Down at 80 cents, right? Still holding that 75-cent area. So not looking too bad. This is bugging me out. I don't know why this Bitcoin symbol is up here. I keep thinking I'm looking at the wrong chart. Anyway. All right. So yeah. Let's see. Hey. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Boom. 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 Okay. Bullish divergence on ADA on the daily. We are coming down, right? We are coming down. So we might want to let that play out. But yeah, not looking bad on the daily, right? Money flow coming up, VWAP coming down. I would wait for this VWAP to play out again. Yeah, unfortunately, we're going to have to wait 23 hours, 56 minutes, and 38 seconds for that. But yeah, I would like to see what happens here. If we can get rejected off of this, that might be a move. But you don't want to, go off this bullish divergence if you have VWAP coming down. If it does cross over, you could go south for you. But yeah, let's go down to the 4-hour. Actually, real quick, because you're asking if it's a good time to buy, not necessarily trade. I mean, we're kind of at that same area on a lot of these coins, right? I mean, a lot of these alts are crushed, right? ADA down 72% from its all-time high. I don't know, guys. Actually, taking this macro look at how far down everything is kind of, I mean, I'm not saying we're in a bear market, but I mean, it's given bear market vibes. I mean, we're down 70, 80% on alts from all-time highs. I mean, it's, I don't know. But hey, the good news is, maybe we get one last rip, but, you are down here, right? Again, just generally looking at this in the macro, look at these highs, and then, I mean, look at where you are, right? You're crushed. So it might not be a bad time to start DCAing back in, not financial advice. However, I would let Bitcoin make a move first if you're looking to DCA in. I mean, because you could just dump from here, right? Although we have that bullish, ascending triangle on the daily money flow is looking good. The weeklies still do look bad. So I'm being cautiously optimistic, right? You want to be very careful in these market environments. Okay. All right. And then let's take a look at Kadena. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look. Oh, random line, guys. Random line. Unbelievable. I'm hungry, guys. I need a bagel. I'm excited for the Discord. Bubba's. Me too. It's going to be a great place for us to interact. Jonas says, hey, Frankie, thanks for checking out my Twitter DM on ADA. No problem, man. No problem. Jonas, I got you. I do answer all of my Twitter DMs. It might not happen right away. I might be a few days late. Same thing with our YouTube comments. I respond to every single YouTube comment at some point, even, we are busy, but I do try to answer everything. So if you guys ever want to shout us out in the comments or shoot us a Twitter DM, definitely do that because I will answer them when I see them. Okay, so Kadena, let's take a look-see. All right. Let's go ahead and see. And I think, guys, at the end of the streams now, we're gonna do Q&A, and then I'm gonna try to make a section of the stream where we shout out, because I've been getting a lot of people just reaching out on Twitter and thanking us for our thanking us for teaching and letting us know that they're learning on the stream and they're sending screenshots of their profitable trades. So I think what we're gonna do. I think what we're gonna do is set up a time, not a time, but like set up a point in the stream where we just shout out the honorable mentions, right? Shout out the winners, let you guys know who's winning profitable trades winning trades in the CandleMafia, and so we could celebrate them a little bit on the stream. We'll shout you out and congratulate you because, and then we could also, talk about like, maybe you could share some of your sauce too. You know what I'm saying? Like what you saw on the charts, what you learned here that helped you, and I think we could all learn, you guys can all learn from each other. Guys, Mama Sauce is in the chat. What's up, Mom? My mother is in the chat. Love to see you here, Mom. Thanks for tuning in. Look at your son. He's on TV. Look at me go. So let's see, shout out Mama, because I know I'm giving you guys the sauce, but I got the recipe from my mama. So yeah, Mom's in chat. Let's go. Shout out my mom in chat. Mama Candle's in chat. Let's go. All right. Thanks for being here, Mom. Means a lot. See, supportive family. Let's go. Anyway. All right. Yeah. So we are breaking on the daily. Kadena is breaking below that golden pocket we have right here. So yeah, might see, I mean, you see here we came down, wicked all the way down, and then came back up. So not that you can't come back up, but it is worth noting that we are below, on the daily, we are below that golden pocket. Let's go ahead and zoom into the 4 hour just a little bit. Yeah, below that golden pocket, daily money flow, checking on that, looking kind of the same as everything else, similar to Bitcoin. Back down to the 4 hour, yeah, I mean, VWAP coming up, money flow coming down, kind of seems boring. 2 hour, VWAP crossing down, money flow starting to flatten out, slash curve up. Not too bad, not too bad. I mean, kind of just boring. Looks like you might have some more of this in store, just straight sideways, just crab market. Yeah, so yeah, kind of boring looking, to be 100% honest with you. I mean, even on the 15-minute, I mean, you're just kind of, yeah, you're just kind of hanging out here. Just binging and bonging. Bing bong, bing bong, bing bong. Look at that. But yeah, I mean, kind of looks boring, to be 100% honest. No bullish divergence. Yeah, I mean, not much to say. I mean, hopefully we can come back up and test this golden pocket. The bottom of the golden pocket here at about, $6.48. That would be my next hopeful target if we can get, some upward movement. So yeah, and then let's just zoom out here a little bit so I can see better, and then, maybe you come back down similar to when we came out of the golden pocket here. Maybe you come back down and test this $5.14 area. You would probably make a stop at this fib level right here at about $5.66, 67 cents. So yeah, I mean, yeah, kind of boring. Kadena, not really too much going on there. Emmanuel says, hey, Mom. Thanks for being great, Mama Candles. Shout out to Mom in the chat. This is awesome. The whole family's here, guys. The whole family. Look at the symmetrical triangle, or am I seeing things? I don't know what you're looking at there. I don't know who said that. Sorry, you just shot out of my view. Mother of the Mafia. Yeah, we got the Godfather in the chat, and now we also have the Godmother in the chat. Let's see. Mama Candles is one of the greatest in the game. We can feel you pinching cheeks, telling him how proud you are. Epic. That's funny. Yeah, she does. She does. When I go back home to visit, she pinches my cheeks. She goes, look how proud I am of you. But yeah. All right, let's see. Anyone want some recipes? Mom, Mom giving out. You can't give them the secret sauce, Mom. Then they won't be able to get the sauce from me. But you can give them one of your sauces, just not the secret sauce. Let's see. That is so sweet. Good day, Mrs. Parisi. Ryan, shout out to you, Ryan. All right, let's see. Yes to the recipes. I feel you, brother. Ren, please. Yes, we can take a look at Ren. Hello, I'm still here. Help me, please. John, what did you need help with? I'm not 100% sure. I might have missed your chat. Throw it in there again. I'll try to see it. Let's take a look at Ren. All right. Ren. All right. Let's see. Guys, I don't think I'm going to be able to get her on camera, but my beautiful girlfriend did just walk into the studio. You want to come say hi? Not really. All right. She doesn't want to come say hi, but we're going to warm her up. Maybe when we do a live stream at home, she'll be a little more comfortable to come on and say hi. TJ did just come on the stream and tell her that she has to come on and say hi. And he threatened her and said, I know your boss. If you guys don't know, TJ's sister is my girlfriend's boss, so he's knows. Yeah, TJ's family monopolizes our employment, but you know, it was the boss, so she has no choice but to come on here at some point. But okay, taking a look at Ren, I'm actually not very familiar with Ren, so let's go ahead. Random line again here, guys. Let's go on over to the daily. Money flow coming up, VWAP coming down on the daily. Might bing bong around here a little bit. Bing bong mean going sideways. 4 hour, taking a look. VWAP coming down. Money flow in the green, not looking too bad. If you can get that VWAP, curved. If you get this VWAP curving up and cross over before you get into the red, hopefully you can get a bullish continuation. Let's go on down to the 2 hour. VWAP VWAP's been down there for a while. Money flow coming up, VWAP coming up, not looking too bad, no bullish divergence. 1. I don't know why I said 1. I meant to say 1 hour. Let's go ahead and take a look here. VWAP curving down. Yeah, kind of hard to say. Especially when I don't know the project. We really need Bitcoin to start making a move here, guys. That's really what it comes down to. Bitcoin needs to move. So yeah. All right. Let's go ahead and see here. Hey, Frankie's GF. Malera says hi. Let's see. Nice to meet you, Mom. Nice to meet you, ma'am. At Linda Priest. Hey, you got see, Ma. Look how good my community is. The CandleMafia loves you. Look at this. Let's see. TJ is Ben's secret guy. I hate Hbar's name. They should have hit the focus groups on that. Yeah, Hbar, kind of a weird name. From what I've read, Satima has failed at everything they tried to do. Still no Satima mask. They are a slow rug pull and need to stop sponsoring fighters. Hashtag slow rug pull. All right. Frankie's girlfriend in chat. Oh, there she is. Frankie's girlfriend is here. Look at her coming out of the bushes, lurking out of the bushes. There she is in chat. Everybody say what's up to my girlfriend, Jess. All right. She's next to him off camera. Yes, she is. She's right here. Let's go. She does give me cues sometimes, so she does look at the chat a little bit. Maybe we'll make her a mod. She does keep an eye on chat if she's here. She does hold up a sign in case I miss something. Piebo, what's going on? Bitcoin, the new stable coin. Yes, absolutely. Piebo, I did shoot you an email. We're going to get on that call. Don't worry. I don't know if you answered me, but I will check after the stream. Hbar, please. Let's take a look at Hbar, guys. Again, I always say this. Hbar, I missed Hbar, unfortunately. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Bounced perfectly off of this resistance point. We haven't looked at Hbar in a while, but look how this plays out, right? Okay. Amazing. Okay. All right. Going to the daily. Sometimes I need a second to collect my thoughts. So much going on in chat and stuff. Cheers. I need to sleep. I have COVID. Ooh, I don't want to say that word. But wanted to stick it out to the end. Hey, Jack Destiny. Thank you for being here. Go get some rest. Feel better. You'll get through it. Don't worry. I've dealt with something like that as well. I got through it. You will too. Shout out to you for being here. Thank you for coming. And I forgot what I was going to say. All right. Back to Hbar. All right, here we go. All right, bada boom. Okay. All right, daily money flow coming up. Not looking bad. VWAP above the 0 line. Kind of, there you go. Confluence, we came up a little bit there. Coming up, let's look at the 6 hour here. Money flow coming up. Not looking bad, right? Not looking bad. VWAP above the 0 line. 3 hour, right? I don't know. Actually, let's look at the 2 hour. 2 hour money flow in the red, VWAP coming down. 1 hour, VWAP crossed over downward. However, you are in the green with money flow, right? So, yeah, if you could get this little curve up, if this doesn't come too far down and you just curve right back up, you could get a bullish continuation and hopefully smash through this, see something similar, see something like this where you see, you come up like Luna did and you come a little pullback, right? And then that VWAP crosses over, you get a green dot on the momentum wave down here, and then you get a bullish continuation and you smash through resistance. Could be something that we see setting up here on the 1 hour. Nothing's 100%, but if that VWAP can just be a little baby VWAP down there and cross back over, you could get a bullish continuation. All right, let's check the 15-minute for fun here. There you go. Hey, here's how you could have cut a short on here. Bada boom. Let's see. Let me just shrink this down a little bit, right? Momentum coming down, right? And price coming up, right? So you got that alligator mouth. We always talk about the alligator mouth here. You know, there you go. There's that bearish divergence. You could have caught that little scalp short off of that resistance point that you know is a good level, right? Because you have resisted off of it before. So you could have copped a quick 2% if you took your profit right now. So yeah, that could have been a nice 20% move with some 10x leverage, guys. That leverage is powerful. So yeah, Hbar. Oh, and you just got another red candle. Okay. Or no, you didn't. But it came down. Okay. So yeah, not looking too bad. Hopefully we can get that bullish continuation, like I said, with that little VWAP crossing right back over and printing another green dot and smash through this resistance, right? If you do get past this resistance, maybe you're coming to the 22-cent mark. You know, yeah, hopefully you can get up there. Hopefully you can get up there. Probably looking at about, you know, well, I mean, yeah, we're at 21.5 now. So yeah, about, you know, 22 cents, you know. It's funny when like there is an actual move between 21.9 cents and 22 cents. Like it actually is an okay move percentage wise, right? From 21.9 to 22.5 is 2.3%, right? So with 10x leverage, you can actually make money on that little move. All right, let's go ahead and see here. Bubba's Crypto says, Jess, thanks for sharing, Frankie. I often wonder if you're waiting patiently for your boy to be done for the day. Hashtag CandleMafia. Yeah, real quick. I do want to stay focused here real quick. But yeah, shout out to Jess, my girlfriend. She's very patient. She's very patient. I work long hours. I work until I'm off the stream here. I'm here early in the morning. I'm here late at night. And then I go home and I continue to work, right? And she sits there patiently. She is a saint. I could not ask for a better girlfriend. So shout out to her. And the Candle Mafia appreciates you too. So look at that. Thanks for that, Bubba's. Appreciate it. We'll give you a banana if you succeed. Okay. I'm late, but I'm here. Dan Totten, let's go. Not going to get into that, but Dan Totten, what's going on? Thank you for being here. I look forward to the day a chicken can cross the road without its motives being questioned. Yeah, that would be a world to, why can't the chicken just cross the road? Because it wanted to, right? Hashtag squad, let's go. Crypto AK, welcome back. What's going on, man? What's going on? 300 likes. Let's go, guys. Thank you for 300 likes. And hey, maybe you'll get another giveaway, guys. All right, so coming down to the end of the stream here, guys, I did want to touch on EMAs. It doesn't look, I'll just cover it really quick. Let's just go to Bitcoin. I do want to cover this really quick because I like to give you guys as much value as I can. So let's just cover EMAs really quick. I'm going to make a video on this, so keep an eye out for that. I'm going to go into detail, but real quick, I just want to cover this for the people who might, sorry I'm late, but I had a poor shot first. Cheers to Frankie's girlfriend. Rob, welcome. Enjoy your drink. Sit back, enjoy your drink, and listen to the smooth sound of Frankie Candle's relaxing TA. Sorry if that was creepy. Okay, anyway. So EMAs, right? So you're going to want to come up. Basically what an EMA is it works as dynamic support and resistance. Dynamic meaning it moves with the price, right? So think about support lines that move according to price, right? So let's go ahead and pull up some EMAs here, right? So moving average, exponential, right? EMA, exponential, moving average. So basically how these work, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and, okay. So basically how these work are here, you see it right here, this little blue line. Let me just make this a little more visible. Okay, so right now you can open up the settings, right? So let's go ahead and say you change it to, we'll make it 40. We'll just make it a random number, whatever. Yeah, there you go. Now I just wanted it to separate so you can see it a little better, right? So these act as dynamic support and resistance, right? So as you can see here, we're on the Bitcoin daily chart. Wow, that sounds like one of my pre-recorded videos. I say that a lot. So here we are on the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. That's how I say it. That's weird. Anyway, okay, so you can see that as you come above this, you break this EMA to the upside, right? And you're above the EMA, right? And when you come down, you can see it acted as support somewhat there, you know, and then you came down. But here more clearly, you can see how it acted as resistance, right? So when you're below the EMA, it will act as resistance. And when you're above the EMA, it acts as support. So you can see here, boom, 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 resistance, bang, bang. You're banging your head on here. You come down. You try to test it again, boom, boom, come back down. Come try and test it again. Boom, you got knocked down, and then you tried to come back up, right? Acted as support, and then you broke back down, right? So right now we're below it, so you could expect resistance at this level. So they're just resistance lines and support lines that move, right, with the price. So very interesting, right? Very useful. And the next strategy video that we have coming out tomorrow is going to be talking about not EMAs, not kind of. It's kind of hard to explain. I don't want to give it away. But you can trade using EMAs, and we're going to go into that. I'm going to make a show about it. I'm going to make a video about it. You can trade with EMAs, but you know, a lot of times what people will do, they'll make a longer EMA, right? So they'll make like 100, make it 100, right? And a lot of times what people will do is, you know, if you're below the EMA, you know, depending on what length you're using, when you're below the EMA, you would only be looking for shorts. And when you're above the EMA, you would only be looking for longs, right? So I just wanted to touch on that. You guys might see these lines on a lot of people's charts and you might get confused. I just wanted to clear that up. All it is dynamic support and resistance, a support and resistance line that moves, acts as support when you're above, acts as resistance when you're down, right? Boom, resistance, boom, resistance, boom, resistance, boom, resistance, right? Boom, support, support, resistance, resistance, support. So yeah, but yeah, so that's just basic EMA. I'm going to make a video on it so you guys can get a better idea of how to use them and how to set them up and like what the actual meaning of it is, like what's the difference between a 40 EMA and a 50 EMA and a 100 EMA, and like what does the actual number mean? We're going to be talking about that. I'll explain it, but I just wanted to show you guys in case you see it on people's charts and it confuses you. That's basically what's going on there. So, you know, you could probably you could go on your chart, turn them on and see how they interact, right? See how it interacts with price, and you'll get the idea. Okay, let's go ahead and check chat here. Coming on down to the end of the stream here. Let's go solo. Back with some FaceTime with your boy, Frankie Candles. Can we get some more of that? You should do TA in that voice from now on. Yeah, hey, maybe I'll make a TA, you know, I can make night TA videos before we go to bed. And I'll just be like, welcome to Frankie Candles ASMR TA, right? And we'll close out the day. I'll let you guys know what I'm thinking about, right? No, I'm just kidding. That would be funny though. All right, let's see. I missed the bull run. Trading was so much easier. Yeah, it's easy to, I mean, we can make tons of money while we're trading going down, but it is nice when you're in a bull run. You know, you're strong in that bull run. You can kind of just know you're looking for longs. There you go. Tyler Durden just linked that 4-hour, 15-minute video. If you do want to enter our giveaway to, can you throw me one of those ledgers to your right? If you guys want to win one of these awesome Ledger Nano S's, go ahead and hit that 4-hour, 15-minute video that Tyler just linked in the chat. Be a subscriber, watch the video, like it, and comment to be entered into that giveaway. All right, let's see. Frankie boy. Hey, my dad is in chat too. I don't know if my mom is still in chat, but we got the whole family here tonight. Let's go. This is awesome. We all family gathering here, guys. The Candle family is here. Now the CandleMafia is now complete, guys. Thanks for being here, Dad. Appreciate you watching. Shout out to my dad. He's a big influence in my life. All right, let's see. When are they going to have you as a guest on ATB? You've earned it at this point, I believe. Yes, I have actually been talking to DZ. I've been talking to DZ about, who was I talking to? TJ, or I'm talking to somebody. They said maybe they'll have me as like a reserve guest. So I might be making an appearance on ATB very soon. Hopefully, I'd be pumped. All right, so let's see here. Gotta go. Catch you mañana. V-Slim, have a good one. Thank you for being here. All right. Let's go ahead and see. Okay. All right, guys. What are we doing here now? We're going to go ahead and spin the wheel here. All right, here we go. Let's have a little bit of fun. I gave you guys the sauce. I gave you the knowledge. We looked at the charts, right? We looked at your altcoins. I'll let you guys know what we're looking for. I gave you those key resistance levels, those key support levels. I gave you that bullish ascending triangle that we are seeing on the daily, right? Daily looks good. You know, we have that ascending triangle. Let me just pull it up real quick. I think you guys can see my screen. Yeah, so just real quick before we go, I just want to give you guys a little affirmation here. But bullish ascending triangle on the daily chart, right? Doesn't mean we can't break down, but these typically break up more than they break down. So that is a bullish sign. Money flow crossover looking imminent, right? Looking bullish, right? Doesn't mean that we can't come up and come right back down, but this is looking pretty good. But we want to remember that the weekly is looking bad. So keep that in mind. But yeah, so just wanted to touch on that before we leave. Now let's have a little bit of fun, guys. And let's go ahead and give it a spin and see if we can get you guys a giveaway. Yes, guys, my dad is the actual godfather. So definitely show him some respect in chat, guys. We got 2 godfathers in here now. But yeah, the godfather is here. So show some respect to the official candle godfather. Let's go. All right, here we go. Spin number 1. I don't know why my sound is coming out of the speakers, but I'm going to go ahead and lower that. All right, celebrity DM. We got to do it. Let me know in the chat who you guys want to DM. I'm actually going to hand the phone off here to my beautiful assistant here that won't go on camera, and she will DM the celebrity. Let me know who you guys want to. Let me know who you guys want me to. Let me know who you want me to DM. All right. So we got 324 likes, guys. Thank you so much for those. So let's see. We got the celeb DM. That is being worked on right now. Let's give it another spin here. Another spin. Maybe we'll turn the volume up a little bit. All right. I heard that this wheel blows out a lot of people's ears. There you go, guys. There you go. You get a giveaway. You get a giveaway. We're throwing money for that one. We're throwing the money for that one. Let's go. Giveaway. Let's get it. All right. We're going to do a Cardano giveaway or a Cardano NFT giveaway. I don't have one currently. I'm going to have to go shop around for one. Let me know if you guys have any Cardano NFTs that you're interested in that we can do for a giveaway. Dave Portnoy. Oh, you're watching? Okay. Dave Portnoy. They were asking for him last time. Oh, okay. Sorry. All right. So we're going to be giving away, here's the announcement. We're going to be giving away another Cardano NFT. I guess we'll do it next week because we're going to be announcing the giveaway of the Ledger Nano S tomorrow. So I will find an NFT and we will announce at the beginning of next week how you can enter, or maybe we'll announce it tomorrow, how you can enter to win that NFT. But you guys got it. What other channel is giving away this much stuff, right? We're just giving it all away, giving back to our wonderful community because you guys are great. You guys support us more than anything, and I'm very appreciative of that. So we are going to continue doing these giveaways. All right, and spin number 3. And this is why you stick around to the end of the stream. You might get that giveaway. Okay, there we go. I thought you guys were going to get 2 giveaways today. All right, Jelly Bean of Death. Here we go. Gonna have to go and crack that bubbly. Here you go, a little ASMR for you. Oh, yeah. I hope that sounded good. All right, here we go. If you guys don't know, we have these spicy jelly beans, and I'm gonna have to eat one. I hope it does not a Reaper, because the Carolina Reapers are very, very bad. Here we go. Mixing around, mixing around. Please just be jalapeno. Okay. Okay, what is this? Green? Oh, it is jalapeno. Let's go. All right, there we go. This shouldn't be too bad. I like jalapenos. It is gross. It's hard to swallow a piece of candy that tastes like a pepper. Not gonna lie. It just tastes like a pepper. It doesn't taste sweet at all. Not that bad. Boss Cat Rocket Club. Gonna have to be a little more red juice. Boss Cat Rocket Clubs are very expensive. Zombie chains. I'm gonna. Hey, one of the mods. If you guys can like maybe just copy and paste some of these into like a note and send it to me. Maybe Tony, if you could just shoot me a text or something with these names so I can take a look at them. If some of them are reasonable, I'll go ahead and get them and we'll give it away. All right. Oh God. Okay, it's a little spicy. That's the best one. I think that's the least hot one. So not bad. Not bad. All right. So I'm gonna red juice. Rebdeuce, I'm gonna we'll announce it tomorrow. I'll let you guys know how you can win the NFT. It's probably gonna be to comment on the latest video, but I'll let you know. I'll let you know on tomorrow's stream. All right. Mr. A says, "What's up, Tony D?" Thanks for the thanks for the shout out, Frankie. Oh, no problem. Rebdeuce, shout out Rebdeuce. All right, guys. Great show. Had a great time. As I always say, guys, this is my favorite part of the day. I could have the worst day ever, and as soon as I get on live stream, I get into a good mood because I'm hanging out with my people, and I get to help you guys make money. Shout out to everybody DMing me, telling me, showing me their winning trades, and thanking us for what we're teaching them on the stream. That means so much to me. I appreciate every single one of you. What was the other thing I wanted to say? And again, shout out to Jimmy Void for the fan mail. This is the coolest thing ever, man. This is great. So thank you for sending that in. I appreciate you very much for making that. Shout out to Jimmy Void. Show some love to him in the chat. Guys, thank you all for being here. I appreciate every single one of you. CandleMafia strong. Don't forget, set your stop losses, use good risk management, and go make some of that bread. That's all I got. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Frankie Candles out.